Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Friday, May 20th, 2020, or 2022, I'm sorry. And let's get right into it, man. We got, all right, so just to show you guys what I'm seeing. All right, so we see that price is kind of rejecting this area right here. Broke over the resistance to support area here and broke through it again. But one thing that I'm seeing is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, lower low, right? So the biggest thing is that price broke below right here. Now this is a key area because this is the 15-minute 50 EMA right here. And one thing that I'm hoping that looks like it'll happen, right? So we had the break of structure here, and we definitely had the break of structure here, right, when price broke below. Now it did respect this ILC. I'm gonna get rid of this actually, so it's not messing up too much of what we're doing. Get this out of here. And so basically what I'm seeing right now is after we broke the low and created this lower low, I drew out the fib from here. Recent high. My arms are sore as hell. Most recent low. So what we have here is the break of structure. I have this nice support, resistance, resistance, support, support, resistance, support. So we have a clean supply and demand area, but we also have a clean 50% ILC in the area as well. I think if it comes back up to our zone, hopefully it does, we would see something like this. And I think we would need like a 45 pip stop loss if I'm being honest. Usually I would keep it down here, 25 pips, but I think there is a possibility it could go above. Um, you know what? I think we could keep it here about 30 pips. We'll see. We'll see what price does once it gets in here, and we'll see where it comes out. But I think I like it more something like this, more or less. And I think we can see it come down all the way to this level here. This is where I think it's coming down to. I think there's a good possibility it comes down to that level. So it just depends. I'll tell you one thing. If we don't see the break right here, if it doesn't break through this 15-minute 50 EMA, but I'm not sure it will do that. So that'll be something that we got to look at. So this is one obstacle we got to look for to pass. The second one is going to be right here at this ILC, right? We're going to have another one here, and then third one would be down here. And I think once we break below here, I think it would be over, right? So that's my opinion, is if we break below this low, then we might see a little retracement, but I think ultimately it'll probably be coming down a lot farther. But I like take profit here at about 140 pips. So we'll see what the market gives us right now. We got about 11 minutes till open. If you guys have any disagree or don't see anything, don't see it the way I'm seeing it, let me know. I do think we could still be in an uptrend, but I also think, let me just show you a higher time frame from what I've seen. Delete this. So here we got the 1 hour, right? So even if we are still in an uptrend, which I think it's possible, but I think it's possible. I think it's also not possible for it to. Um, well, let me show you what I've seen. So you can see the 1 hour 50 EMA right here, which is something that I noticed, right? The last hour, the 5 o'clock hour, kind of broke below, or it finished below, right? The candle finished below right here. Show you. So you can see the 1 hour 50 EMA right here, right? So we got it lined up, and you can see this 5 o'clock finish below it, right? The only thing that it's kind of respecting right now, we could go to the 30 minute. Oh, the 30 minutes actually under. So yeah, we got a few areas that we got to watch out for if it wants to push up. But my opinion, I think it is coming down. Let's see if there's any news related to that as well. No news today. So all the news is out. We have G7 meetings today, though. And truthfully, I think it's coming down. I think that's what we're seeing right now. So we'll see what the market gives us. I think I'm gonna be on some one trade and done stuff today. Okay, perfect, Pimbo. All right, so I like to hear that I at least got some agreements right here. And yeah, the bottom of this ILC right here is kind of where I'm looking for. You can see it here on the 1 hour, right? And something like that. So I'd be looking for something like this, and I think there's a real possibility for it to break through all of this area right here. Truly do. Um, just keep it simple, right? I didn't look for the simple breaker structure right here. And let me just show you guys where I messed up yesterday. So we had a simple breaker structure right here at this point, right? This lower high was broken. And if this wasn't the breaker structure, then this was, right? Once this high was broken right here, once we seen the retracement, so the high was broken at this level, right? Broke this high. Then when it came back and retraced, I said it, I even put this alert right here, approaching buy opportunity. For some reason, I wasn't listening to myself, didn't put in the buy, and missed out on a huge trade, right, that we could have taken and that we actually could have left in for the entire day and profited massively. 230 pips, 260 pips, 280 pips. So that's something that I gotta watch out for. But it was a simple break of structure that started it, right? So I'm looking for something like this again. You can see it here on the 15 minute, the 5 minute, right? See if there's a 3 minute. We got a 3 minute ILC inside. Then let's take a look at the 1 minute. And the 1 minute is actually up here, which is something we gotta be mindful of, right? If we got the 1 minute way up here, there's a big possibility price could reach all the way up there. So that's always something you got to be mindful of. But the main reason I really do like this trade is because on this 5 minute here, we have everything available, right? We have it inside of a supply. We have an IOC 15531 IOC inside of a resistance to support supply and demand area. So I think that's why we could see it, but I'm going to be mindful once I see price raising into this zone up here. Definitely be mindful of it. So let's see. Got the 15 minute up. I'm going to use the restroom really quick. If you guys see anything different, Bimbo, I appreciate it. Let's see. Got time. Got about 6 minutes till open. So let's see. All right, give me a quick second. I'm going to use the restroom and I'll be right back. Man, I see what price is doing already. You see that? That's exactly what I was looking for. Um, damn. It's exactly what I was looking for. I just put in a little point zero 0.02 right now at 42. Now, hopefully, it gives us a retest in the next 4 minutes. A little bit closer to our 1 minute because I was looking to enter up here, but shit, that shit's flying. I don't want to stay too far below though. I'm up about 3 pips right now, but hopefully we see another retest into this area, right? I think it should. Got about 2.5 minutes till open. Just got that one position in, so let's see. Oh man, thinking about adding another, but I want to wait till open. Kind of hit sooner than I would have liked to. Now this is going to be key because if it bounces off of this at open, like if it bounces off of this 50 EMA, I think we'd be looking at a position where we're kind of we'd be looking at a position where we're kind of looking for price to continue to push up. But it depends. Like if this finishes this way, I would like to see it finish bearish, and then we could possibly see another retest up here before it comes down fully. But if we can have this finish bearish and engulfing this, I would love it. Then we could possibly see another retest up into this area, testing the EMA, testing the IOC, testing the resistance to support, and then we could, truly hop in. So we got 54 seconds. I mean, we're in there. So hopefully we do get a retest though. Let's see if it just finishes right here. I'd appreciate that. Bearish engulfing, but finishing, finishing bearish engulfing will help us. I don't want it to come too far and reject down here though, because then I feel like now we're looking at something different. So let's see if it gives us what we want, and we go from there. First positions up there. All right, last 18 seconds. And this is usually where it kind of shows its true colors, right? These last 10 seconds right here. This is big. I think it has to finish this way. Let's hope it finishes a little bit farther down like here. There we go. I might add some more positions. Let's see. Uh, I'll let you know if I am. Because if not, then I'm going to... okay. All right, I'm in there. I added one more. It happened quickly, and I'm happy I got in there to do it. I'm going to see if I'm going to add this one right here. Still bouncing on this area. I just added another position right now, so I have total of 0.07 in there. It's still respecting it though, which I don't like. Or yeah, I don't like that it's still respecting that zone. I mean, I'm still in it. I'm still holding. I'm still profitable right now, but I don't like that rejection off the 15-minute. Let's see. I'm gonna keep my stop losses short. I'm going to keep them where they're at. We'll see right now. All right, let's see. I liked it. Come on, man. Break through that motherfucker. Still respecting the shit out of that EMA. Like, this is all respect still. So that's what I'm kind of worried about. But let's see if it can finish this way. We're in here. Um, let's see if we can finish this to completion. Bimbo, you said about that 140 mark, right? Honestly, I'm up about 25 pips, 20 pips, 30 pips ish. I'm gonna move everything to break even, I think. Let me zoom out here. This is a big area, so I think take profit should be taken around this 27% area if you guys want to. I think 27% will be a good area to take profit, and I will. But once it hits that area, I'm gonna go ahead and get out. See if it could push a little bit more than that, though. Whoa, don't like that. That was a big push right there. Just have the 1 minute basically flew up and engulfed. It can't do that. If it's gonna finish engulfed, then we'd be looking at some issues right here. We'd be looking at a potential reversal and price pushing up on us. Oof, it's no bueno. It's got to stay below. Mm, I don't like that finish at all. We'll see. I mean, hopefully it can. I put my TP1 at 090. So let's see if it'll give it to us. I don't know, man. It's kind of doesn't look like it necessarily wants to continue to push up or push down. There's a lot of momentum pulling it back up. So let's see. Moving my stops to 12041. But let's see if it can break this shit. Up about 400 right now. Oh shit, I put the wrong TP. I think this is big. I'm gonna take some profit right here. Damn, yeah, it's kind of pushing up from here already. All right, we just hit TP1. Secured about 138. We're at like 155 for the day. I think I might just secure TP2 as well, just to get it out there. All right, so we're at 291 for the day. We got 200 floating right now, 0.03. And let's see what it does for us. All right, see if it can continue pushing. I like that. 11,915-ish, I think is where we should be looking at. 11,915-ish. We're at 100 pips right now, so congratulations to everybody. We're at 100 pips. Let's fucking go. Let's keep it pushing. I'm gonna secure. Oh, pushed up a lot from 100 pips. I want to secure some profits at 100 pips. But shit, it looks like it's kind of rejecting right here. But the one thing I do like is we broke below this low, right? We broke below this low. Price is through here, so I think we might see a push up right here. So I think we got to be mindful of that. Um, that's where we're at right now. So let's see, right? We're up about 90 pips right now from the top position. So let me actually just show you guys. We're up about 80, 75 pips, 80 pips. Oh man, it's a big push. That was a big, big push right there. What did it hit? It hit that. Didn't hit anything, which is kind of weird. But man, did it reject up very, very high. It basically pushed up, I guess not that much, about 50 pips. Damn, I should have pulled some more profit. Um, Not very happy about that. But let's see if it continues. You know, it's one of those things where you think you might be getting greedy, but I think we should see a continued push down. I don't see why we should see this continue to push up, but let's see, because it's finishing. Let me show you the 1 minutes that has me worried right now. You could see these candles right here, but hopefully, just hopefully, we see a rejection here or right here. This is the 15-minute 50 EMA, the 1 minute 50 EMA. So let's see, we got the 5 minute way up here. I wouldn't want to see a break above here. That would be an issue to me. Man, that's a big, big rejection though. Like even the 5 minute looks crazy. Like we need the 5 minute to finish bearish. That doesn't look good at all. Fuck. I mean, it's a little bearish, but nothing crazy. I like it hitting the 1 minute 20 EMA and rejecting that, but I'm not so sure, guys. This is up about 550 at one point too. More than 550. It's up about 650 at one point. But this doesn't look good. Just start there. But I'm still holding. Trying to learn how to hold through these retracements. So we'll see right now. Definitely need this 1 minute. Well, needed to finish bearish and engulfing. So one thing that I'm looking for price to do right now is for it to finish completely engulfed, like down to here. That ain't gonna cut it right there. That definitely ain't gonna cut it. We need it down here. Damn. Let's see. Not sure I like it. If this starts to do what I've seen yesterday, which is each wick is basically a higher high. If it starts to do that, then I'll be worried. It looks like it kind of broke that already, but still, it's still doing that, right? It's still showing respect and a lot of momentum's to the upside. So we needed to, I need this one to finish at least right here. Um, I think that's Fuck. Good. Yeah. Fuck. If we get taken out right here, that'd be crazy, man. I mean, that's where we said we wanted the rejection was right here with a 1 minute and 15-minute meet, right? So let's hope it could just finish bear. See, it's if it not finishing bearish kind of pushes that, and it's moving quickly. I feel like these motherfuckers are listening to me right now. But damn, I think it's coming for our stop loss right now. I'm moving my stops to 1204.3. 1204.3. So we're about 20 pips away from the stop loss right now. Okay. I'm up 291 for the day, but fuck, I was up like 650 one point. I have a key level right here at 12026. Doesn't look like it's being respected. Um, wow, can't believe that shit flew up on us. It's about to hit my stop loss right now. Damn, can't believe that shit. I'm gonna put another sell in. I just put another sell in right now. Holy shit. I don't mean to do that. Whew. I put in a big sell. I shouldn't have done that, but I got scared and I pulled it. I got super scared and I pulled it. I put in a 0.14 and I shouldn't have done that. Um, I closed a point 0.1 out of it. We'll see right here what it does from here. Um, man, that scared the shit out of me. Not ready for that all the way yet. I closed a point 0.1 out of that 0.14, so I have a 0.04 and a 0.03 in right now. And again, the reason I took this position right here was simply because price broke below. But the only thing I'm worried about right here is price. Okay, we need to finish through here. We can't wick out. I need price to finish through here. Um, I'm at 330 for the day, but you know that 4 pip close. But I don't. I mean, let's see if price can do it, right? Let's just do that. Let's see if price can do it. I'm in at 12050 and 12029. Yeah, I don't like that. That was an ugly finish to how I wanted to finish. Definitely ugly. Definitely ugly. Damn, that shit's coming up here. Let's see. I mean, I'm thinking about just closing my bottom position. Whoa, whoa. And there's still a lot of time though. This shit's volatile as hell right now. Uh, Super volatile, and it's still respecting the 15-minute and the 1 minute. We needed to finish through this bitch, and we still got 18 seconds, so that's what worries me. I'm moving my stops to break even again. 12029. Might even close this position, this bottom position. I like the way it finished. Kinda. Okay, it's coming down, but I'm gonna close my bottom position right here. 11.9. I'm gonna go to 11.990. Oh, it's kind of pushing. 11.9. I'm gonna go 11,980. Actually, I'm gonna just close this shit. 150 or 146. That put me at 477 for the day. Okay. Added that position and closed that position. Still have my other position in. Um, let's hold this shit to TP. I'm happy with my profits for the day. Let's hold this to TP. Hopefully it can hit. Stops are at break even. Uh, well, a little into profit right now, so let's see if it can do it. Big day for me. I needed this shit. It's crazy because some of those days get you. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like a boss pulling positions down here, right? Pulled some positions here or wherever down here, right? And not only did I pull positions in profit, but once price retraced, I added them. And the whole reason I added those positions was because price broke below this low, right? That's the only reason I added positions. So happy about that. I felt like I heard one dude say, "You're not a real trader until you add positions to your move," right? So, I'll take that. We're up 200 right now. I'm thinking about just closing this just because of all these wicks right here. I'm thinking about just closing it all because it looks like it's respecting something right here. I ain't gonna lie. Doesn't it? Yeah, look at it. It's going on top of the wick again. This 30-minute. I think I'm definitely gonna close another zero point zero 0.01 at least. That'll put me at 540. And we'll see. I mean, I like the way kind of it's finishing, but I feel like it's respecting the 1 minute 50 EMA or the 30-minute 50 EMA a little bit too much. I'm at 543. I'm gonna put my stop loss at 12:038 so I can guarantee like 20 pips or whatever. So I move my stop loss to 12:038 and take profits at 11,915. 12:038 and 915. Something that price is doing right here. What is sleep, baby? It's early still. You got late start today. Oh yeah, it's Friday. Mm-hmm. Wait, Friday. It's gonna be the best day of my life today. Ice cream before lunch and free dress day. Free dress day. All right, let's see. Were you guys able to make money off of this trade? Go ahead and let me know. 95 cents away. Yes. Let's go, Bimbo. Let's fucking go, man. Hell yeah. I think that was a beautiful call. And I mean, even if it doesn't, I mean, I feel like it's doing something right here. There's something going on. I mean, this line right here was a clear supply and demand area. But, I think either way, we took some profits and I'm holding to TP. So let's see. Let's go, man. Over here slaughtering shit. We hit 100 pips down there at that wick. Let's see if we can get some continuation right here. And let's go. Had two people catching it. Let's go. I'm gonna hold on. You know, I might have to just get off and either let it hit my stop loss up here or hit my take profit down here. It looks like it wants to head our way, right? And the 1 minute showed me that with these wicks. I ain't gonna lie, but we can't. I don't know. There's something right here that it's respecting, and even this area here is exactly where. This area here is exactly where these ones. You can see the supply and demand area right here. Resistance, support, resistance, support, support, resistance, support, resistance, support. So yeah, this shit's playing with my emotions. I ain't gonna lie. I don't like this on the 1 minute the way it looks, but the 1 minute doesn't look great. But if the 5 minute finishes this way, we'd be in business. I mean, if the 15 minute finishes down here, I think we're in business too. But we needed to finish like here at 11,980. That's what I want. So we'll see. We have the 1 minute EMA. Let me go ahead and draw that out for you guys as well. I don't like the way it's finishing, but let's see. Let's see if it can reject it. So this is the 1 minute 50 EMA. Whoops. Let's see if it can drop from here. So one thing that I did is I moved my stop loss about 12 or 13 pips into profit. Even with slippage, I'm still gonna hit my. Wait, am I? Actually, I think I need to go a little bit farther now that I think about it. Trying to do the math in my head. That'll only give me about $22. And I need. Shit, actually, no. I'm at 543 for the day. So, yeah, actually, I mean, I'll hit my 550 for the day, which, you know what? I'm not going to be. I could close it right now and we'd be up 600, but I wanted to make sure I secured 600 for the day. Man, and it looks like it's coming up. What do you guys think? Or am I tripping? Just let it respect this 1 minute. You guys let me know because I'm a little worried now. I want to hit 600 today. Man, I might just have to close it, you know, at like $55, which isn't too far away. Yeah, let's see. Still looks like it's carrying up, you know, just the way it looks right now. Even though it rejected it, I can see the next one pushing up. I mean, it's either it rejects it or it doesn't. I think if it breaks above here, then we're looking at least a push back up here. You know what I mean? So I think this 1 minute is key, but there's still 22 seconds, and it could definitely fly up right here. The way I'd want to see it finish is like down here, truthfully. I'd have to see it finish down here. And I think that's really the only way we got to go about it is it finishing down here. So we'll see. Let me see where we're at right now. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Something about that area. I just pulled a .01. My bad, guys. I got a .01 runner, but I just wanted to secure that 600 today. Now, if the other 0.01 goes my way, we'll lock in another like I don't even know how many pips. So like yeah, like 140. So we'll lock in like 140 or what is that? Like another 135, and that'll put us over 700 for the day. So let's see. Looks good though. I think it should continue down. It's just something about this area right here that's getting respected. You could even see resistance, resistance, support, 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 support. So let's see. And these are the best kind of days when like you take a $300 loss yesterday and you're able to double up on it today. Um, it should have been a $200 loss yesterday, but I kept trading, and that fucks you up. But if I would have taken a $200 loss, that's usually where I like to stay around. Plenty of times I lose 300, 400, 500, 1,000. It happens. Especially to me because I know I'm still new in the game, so my mental's not all the way there yet, but we're working on it. And I think today was adding this position up here was a huge, huge accomplishment for me. To take profits down here and add that position up here, that was a big step in the right direction for me. So, something I got to get better at as a trader. And, you know, we'll see. Looks like price is moving up, though. Kind of seen it, And now that I see it doing that, me and my boy used to like to call it like a rocket pad. It's getting ready to launch, ready to launch, ready to launch, and then boom, that shit launches. It's getting close to my stop loss. I know that. Stop loss is somewhere up here, right here. It's actually, stop loss is right here at this line exactly. So if it breaks through, it breaks through, and I'll secure another couple dollars. I'm up about 41 pips right now, so I mean I could close it and finish with 650 for the day. Should I? Nah, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. Come on. Let's go, man. I'm happy you guys were able to take that in. Really appreciate you guys for trusting me and learning with me and, you know, taking my calls. It's bigger for me too, to take that loss yesterday and you guys took it with me. And then for you guys to go ahead and support and be on with me today. And, you know, you had the same call as me. Great minds think alike. So let's get it, man. Today was a big day. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and hop off. We don't need to be on too much longer. I got my runner in there. If you guys got your runner in there, I still believe we have a chance to make it, especially with this candle finishing this way. Hopefully it does. It's still on the rocket launch, right? But I do see this as well. All right, something like that. All right, from there. So this is something that I definitely see as well. So let's see. Let's see what it gives us. It's either going to break out to the upside or break down to the downside. We'll see. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Bimbo, thank you again. Johnny, thank you again. We'll get to it Monday. Overall, we had a profitable week. And, this put me at like 1,500 for the week. Oh, no. Let me look. We are at, I mean, we could have done better, right? That loss yesterday was unnecessary. But we'll still take it. We're at 1,200 for the week. And again, last week was a great week. This week's an okay week. But the bottom line is the bottom line. So as long as we're in profit, that's all that matters, right? Because 95% of these traders, they're failing and we're winning. So let's go, man. Appreciate you guys.